Number 1. Sell extra electricity net metering. If you have solar panels at home or on your business rooftop, you can send excess electricity back to the power grid. This is called net metering, and many countries pay you in credits or even cash. Less bills, more savings. Number 2. Lease out your solar setup. Don't need all the energy you produce? Lease your solar system to a tenant, shop, or nearby business. They benefit from clean energy, and you earn monthly payments with zero hassle. Number 3. Power small services off-grid income. Install vending machines, phone charging stations, or water dispensers, powered entirely by solar panels. Place them in high traffic or rural areas. People pay to use them, and you collect automatic income even while you sleep. Number 4. Invest in solar farms. No panels needed. Want to earn from solar without installing anything yourself? Invest in shared solar farms through platforms or energy funds. You'll receive profits or dividends regularly, just like a shareholder. Number 5. Solar rentals, lights, EV stations, and more. Own land or space near events, parks, or public areas. Set up solar-powered street lights, EV chargers, or garden lighting systems. Rent them out to local authorities or private companies. It's a great source of recurring passive income.